welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a really different video for me. I wanted to do something for all you girls who are going to prom this year. So basically I filmed a makeup tutorial and outfit ideas. Show you guys like my dress, accessories, shoes, all that stuff, so you guys have a little bit of an easier time picking out your prom dress and your prom look. And I decided to do this makeup look just because I feel like it goes with every single color, and I feel like no matter what kind of prom dress you have, this will go with it. So that's why I did something super versatile. By the way, I am wearing a dress, that's why you can't see anything up in this region because it's strapless, but yeah. And before we get started with this video, I want to thank David's Bridal for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know what David's Bridal is, basically David's Bridal offers an assortment of stylish, super on-trend dresses for prom that are really inexpensive. They have a dress for every style, size, and budget. So the dresses start at $99.95. and they have sizes anywhere from 0 to 22. And they also have a super diverse selection of dresses. So no matter what your style is, you'll be able to find something that matches up with your style and your prom look. They also carry accessories anywhere from earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and shoes to complete your prom look. I feel like the most exciting part about prom is picking out your look and your dress and your accessories and like getting ready and all that stuff. I feel like that to me seems like the funnest part, even though I haven't ever been to prom, but hopefully I'll go. I don't know. But yeah, and David's Bridal makes it so much fun to shop because they have so much to pick from. Even though I did pick out a floor length dress, they do have dresses that are more like a cocktail dress if you guys aren't into that whole thing. I will have a special offer down below, so basically if you guys use that code and that link, you guys will get $20 off any dresses that are over $100. If you guys are interested in that, I will have more information down below in the description box. So if you guys aren't into the whole online shopping thing, they do have over 300 locations. Like if you guys want to try it on in store or something like that, they have stores in the US, Canada, Puerto Rico, and the UK, which I think is really great because you guys can obviously go with your friends, go try on your prom dresses. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video before we get started. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this prom makeup look, and if you guys want to get some inspiration on your dresses and stuff like that, then make sure you guys just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm just starting off by priming. I use 2 different primers usually, but this is the first one I'm using. This is the Dr. Brandt Skin Smoothing. Actually, I forget what it's called. I think it's called I don't know, but it's a skin smoothing one, and this is my favorite. It just makes your skin look so airbrushed and flawless. And then I'm going in with this moisturizing one. This is the Smashbox Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one, and my skin is super dry at the moment, so I had to do it. on it. But now I'm going in and just priming for my eyelids. I'm just doing my eyes first because I want my face to look super fresh. I want to wait like for the last minute possible to do my face, especially if you guys are going to prom. You want your face makeup to look as fresh as possible, so I always do it last. But now I'm going in with my eyeshadow. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm just taking that shade that I pointed to right there, using that as my transition color so that everything looks super blended and flawless. And I'm going in with that with a Morphe M441 brush, which is my usual crease brush. And then I'm just grabbing this shade, which is, I don't know what it's called, but I just pointed to it, so, you know. I'm just taking that a little bit lower. Oh my god, the cat I'm babysitting is like jumping all over me. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just blending. Keep blending. Blend your little heart out, okay? Then I'm taking this kind of like warm reddish shade, taking that a little bit closer into my crease with this kind of, it's like a MAC 217 dupe from Morphe. I can't remember the name right now, but I'll have it in the description. It's the one I always use. But yeah, I'm just taking that further into the crease. I'm building a lot of different shades. Yeah, I'm grabbing this other shade right here just so I have this kind of like really smoky, nice like neutral gradient. I decided to stick with neutrals because I feel like it'll just go with every prom dress. You know, like no matter what color dress you do or what kind of look, this will just go with it. It's super smoky. It complements your eyes. But basically, I'm just taking that kind of on this outer V, and just smoking it out further and further. So I'm taking darker shades as I go on and just making sure that outer corner is super smoky so my eyes look really wide and just open. This is not your kind of typical subtle prom look. Okay, we're doing everything. Okay, we're going all out. Smoky eyes, huge lashes, wing liner, full coverage makeup, everything. So yeah, now I'm going in with this liquid liner from NYX. This is super affordable and it's amazing. But yeah, it's just this like pen liquid liner, and I'm just doing a quick little wing. And then I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow and smoke out that edge right there, so that I have that kind of like smoky liner look. I love the way this looks. I feel like I want to do it more often. I never do, but I honestly like wing liner so much better when I do this technique by like rubbing black on the edges to make it look super smoky. Then I'm going in with my Lily lashes in Mykonos, which are perfect if you guys want like a super dramatic look for prom. I feel like prom is like the one excuse you have to be so extra, and these are super dramatic. So, and they're really fluffy and they're kind of winged out at the end, and yeah, they just look so amazing and just like they look like money. Okay, I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. The reason I picked this one is because it's super long lasting. Okay, this will last you all throughout prom night. Okay, all throughout the dancing, all the sweating, all the hugging people, all that. So yeah, I'm just using the Double Wear foundation, applying that everywhere because it lasts like for like 8 hours on me. It's amazing. Then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just applying that under my eyes to highlight. I'm also applying it all over my nose. This is my way of like making my nose look smaller. Some people take contour, but I just put concealer everywhere, and I feel like it just like makes my nose blend into my face more. Rather, if I did a contour, it would kind of make my nose stand out more. I don't know. Now I'm just setting everything. I'm using the Laura Mercier powder because I feel like you're going to be taking a lot of pictures at prom, so you want to make sure you're not going to get flashback. And you also want to make sure your makeup lasts all day long without creasing, so that is the perfect powder for that. Now I'm just finishing up my eye makeup by doing my lower lash line. So I'm taking those same shades I used on my crease, and I'm just building them under there to really smoke it out and make my eyes pop. Now I'm going in with my bronzer. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. But obviously just use whatever products work best for your skin type, because you don't want to look muddy or cakey on your prom day. Just whatever works for you, because you're going to be looking at those pictures for the rest of your life, okay? Gotta make sure your makeup looks flawless. But I just went in with blush. This is my MAC Melba blush, and now I'm going in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I am so in love with this. It just looks so glazed and perfect on your skin. I honestly like it a little bit better than So Hollywood. I can't believe I'm saying that because that is my ride or die, but they really did that on this one. But now I'm just lining my lips using this Jouer lip liner in the shade Nude. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in the shade 103. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it off. Sorry if you can hear the sirens. There's no escaping it. Okay, there's no escaping it. But now I'm just going in with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in So Hollywood, just to lighten up the lips and kind of make them look a little bit peachier. And then I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with MAC Fix Plus just to give myself like a really dewy finish to the skin. Okay, that wraps up the makeup tutorial. Now let's go ahead and get into the outfit. Okay guys, so here is my prom outfit. Of course, the dress is from David's Bridal. I'm so obsessed with this dress, you guys. It has like floral embedding on the front with like the corset, and it just has like a little slit in the leg. I'm so obsessed with it. And my shoes are also from David's Bridal, as well as the necklace. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and like this video before you guys leave. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.